Hi guys, if your Samsung TV keeps turning on by itself, the problem is usually connected to HDMI control settings and bunch of other things. So in this guide, you are going to learn how you can properly identify the real cause and stop the random power on issues for good. So first of all, you need to disable the AnyNet plus HDMI control. For that, you just have to go to the settings of your Samsung TV. Inside the settings, look for the option of General. Inside the General, you will find this option that says External Device Manager. Now inside External Device Manager, there will be an option that would say AnyNet Plus. So you just have to simply turn off this AnyNet Plus off button. This is one of the most common reasons why Samsung TVs power on automatically. Afterwards, you just have to simply open your Samsung Things application, which is connected to your Samsung TV. Over here, you just have to simply check for routines and the automation settings. Sometimes we accidentally enable the features like power on when the phone connects or device syncing, or sometimes we enable the wake from the network activity. So if your TV turns on around the same time daily, the automation is usually the real cause. Afterwards, you can also disconnect the TV from the uh, cheap extension board or smart plugs or faulty surge protectors or power saving adapters. Samsung TVs are very sensitive to the unstable voltage changes. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. Thank you.